Yeah? That's my purple purse.
Nessa, do you need something to drink, honey?
My cookie.
Wow, Mom can't even get that open. I got it.
Good job, Aunt Vera.
Yeah, no kidding.
Oh,
Poor Mom.
your tower fell down. Oh my.
Alright. There we go. Go for it. Go crazy.
Oh, a unicorn! This is what I wanted. It's a unicorn card.
It's a unicorn card.
How she opens cards.
Oh, Aunt Vera with the cute Uncle Dick, you're good. There's your tower.
Oh. It's got a pony on it.
Where?
How can I open it? Wrong way.
Other side.
For a special girl magic stickers.
What is that?
More money. And stickers. Careful. And stickers. Unicorn stickers.
What does it say? It says,
Is that
a place where dreams happen and wishes come true. A place made for sweet birthday girls just like you. Have a very happy birthday. A big hug from Great Uncle Dick. And even greater Auntie Vera.
Woohoo!
Guess what that money's for? Ice cream!